Hello everyone. Today in this video, we are going to see Google Fi versus Verizon. Which internet provider should you choose? Plans, coverage, and value compared. Verizon Unlimited Ultimate is the clear leader for heavy hotspot users, international travelers, and those needing the best rural coverage, but it comes at higher price. Google Fi remains a top value for moderate users, city dwellers, and international travelers who want simplicity, and Google Box at a lower cost. If you rely on hotspot for work or travel, Verizon's new 200 GB high-speed plus unlimited 6 Mbps is unmatched for lighter use or lower cost. Google Fi is still an excellent choice. Plans and pricing: Google Fi versus Verizon. Verizon Unlimited Ultimate $65 per month for one line, include unlimited hotspot data. Unlimited Plus $60 per month for one line, include 30 GB hotspot. Unlimited Plus $2.55 per month for one line, include 30 GB hotspot coverage. Best for rural and nationwide reliability, strong 5G and LTE footprint. Verizon focuses on unlimited postpaid plans. Ultimate Unlimited $65 per month, Unlimited Plus $60 per month, and Unlimited Welcome $55 per month include autopay and paperless billing discount. These plans came with higher base prices but offer more premium features and add-on perks. Google Fi offers more affordable plans with Simply Essential starting at $60 per month, Unlimited Standard $80 per month, and Unlimited Premium at $1110 per month for a single line. The flexible plans start at $35 per month plus $10 per GB, ideal for light data users who mostly use Wi Fi. All plans: unlimited domestic calls or text, no annual contract. International Unlimited Premium and flexible plans offer data in 200 plus countries. International 5G now covers 92 plus destination. Hotspot Unlimited Standard include 25 GB Premium, Unlimited 50 GB. Coverage: Google Fi versus Verizon. Verizon has the most extensive 4G LTE and 5G coverage nationwide, including rural and less populated areas. Its 5G ultra-wideband network delivers top speed in selected cities and high traffic areas. Google Fi uses T-Mobile and US cellular network, providing strong 5G in most cities and suburbs. However, as an MVNO, Fi customers may experience lower priority during network congestion compared to Verizon's direct customers. Data, speed, and hotspot: Google Fi versus Verizon. Data and speed allowance plan: Google Fi Essential, high speed data cap per line 30 GB, throttling after cap 256 kbps, international data not included. Google Fi Standard, 50 GB, throttling after cap 256 kbps, international data, Canada and Mexico included. Google Fi Premium, high-speed data cap per line 100 GB, throttling cap after 256 kbps, international data, 50 GB in 200 and plus countries. Verizon Unlimited, high-speed data cap per line, truly unlimited, see below. Throttling after cap, deprioritization may apply. International data, roaming in. Google Fi, after hitting your speed data cap, speeds drop to 256 kbps, whereas in most plans offer unlimited data, but after a certain threshold, often 50 to 100 GB, your data may be deprioritized during network congestion but not hard throttled. Hotspot allowance plan: Verizon Unlimited Ultimate, high speed hotspot data 200 GB per month after high speed cap, unlimited at 60 Mbps. Notable details: best in class, previously 60 GB. Plan: Verizon Unlimited Plus, high speed hotspot data 30 GB per month after high speed cap, unlimited at 3 Mbps. 5G UW 600 kbps, 5G by 4G LTE. Notable details: strong but less than ultimate. Google Fi Premium, high-speed hotspot data 50 GB per month, counts toward main data after high-speed cap 256 kbps. Notable detail: hotspot use count towards main data cap. Google Fi Standard, high-speed hotspot data 25 GB per month, counts toward main data after high-speed cap 256 kbps. Notable detail: hotspot use counts toward main data cap. Google Fi Essential, high-speed hotspot data included in 30 GB plan cap after high-speed cap 256 kbps. Notable detail: hotspot use count toward main data cap. Which is best? Google Fi versus Verizon. Verizon Unlimited Ultimate now leads the industry with 200 GB of full speed hotspot data per month, then unlimited at a usable 6 Mbps, enough for streaming video calls and most work tasks. Unlimited Plus offer 30 GB at a full speed, then unlimited at 3 Mbps on 5G ultra wideband or 600 kbps on other network. Google Fi plans hotspot use is a part of your high-speed data cap, and after that speed drops sharply to 256 kbps. Choose Verizon if you need the most hotspot data 200 GB high speed, then unlimited at 6 Mbps. You travel internationally and want a solid 15 GB per month at a high speed, then usable speed after. You need the best US coverage, especially in rural areas. You want premium streaming Fox and don't mind paying more. Choose Google Fi if you want lower pricing and don't need more than 100 GB per month of high-speed data including hotspot. You travel internationally and want simple large data bucket in 200 and plus countries. You live in a city or suburb with strong T-Mobile coverage. You want Google ecosystem perks. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.